Welcome to my course where you'll explore the fundamentals of the C# programming language to kickstart your career as a software engineer. You'll learn how to install and configure a virtual environment, followed by setting up the development environment and tools. You'll also write custom configurations for debugging, building, and running C# programs. You'll gain the ability to write and execute simple programs, understand the basic structure of a C# program, and master key programming concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Additionally, we will dive into the core principles of object-oriented programming, debug programs, and explore other essential features of C#. This course is perfect for beginners or those with limited programming experience. The lessons will be taught in a virtual environment running Ubuntu, which can be installed on any operating system. This approach provides a clean installation of the operating system, where you will gradually add the necessary programs and tools. It eliminates potential issues that may arise from using different types and versions of operating systems. Virtualization ensures that your main operating system remains untouched, preventing any conflicts with your running system or installed applications when setting up development tools. This setup prevents scenarios where the instructor's pre-installed and configured tools work flawlessly, but students encounter issues due to missing configurations, incompatible software versions, or conflicts caused by newer or older versions of the required software or other system-specific configurations. This is why a virtual environment with a clean Ubuntu installation is used. The installation of Oracle VirtualBox is demonstrated on the Windows 11 operating system. If you're using a different operating system, please refer to the official installation documentation for your platform. Alternatively, you can choose not to install VirtualBox and instead install the software and tools mentioned in the lessons directly on your system. If a student decides not to use the recommended solution and instead installs a development environment directly on their system, they must follow the official documentation for the respective products. In this case, the instructor will not provide support for any issues that arise. Students can also use an online .NET Playground if they are unable to install or configure software on their system, or if they need to quickly test code without setting up a full development environment.